Hi everyone, welcome back to Essy Cooks. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make another meal prep. This one is so delicious if you're looking for a little change up from your regular protein smoothie. This is a high protein yogurt parfait. It's so good. I could just eat this on repeat week after week after week. So let's get started. The first thing we are going to need is a large container of vanilla yogurt. It's about 680 grams. You can see the size there. Using a high protein yogurt like a Greek yogurt, or I even found a vegan one that was a Greek yogurt that was key lime flavor, which was so delicious in this. That adds a little bit of extra protein. So I do recommend that if you can find it and if you want to get more protein in. Then we're going to add 4 to 5 scoops of your favorite protein powder and whisk that together. You need to like the taste of your protein powder for this, because if you don't, it's really not going to taste good. But you know how you find a protein powder and you're very happy with the flavor? That's the one you're going to want to use for this. And make sure it's vanilla flavored, because it really does add to the flavor of this. I think it tastes so good with this protein powder. I'm going to whisk it together, make sure there are no lumps, because nobody wants to hit a lump in this. That will just ruin the whole thing. So now what we're going to do, the reason I'm using a little scooper here, is I'm going to put about half of the yogurt in each container. I have 5 containers here. Then I have 1 1/4 cup of frozen blueberries. They are going to melt down and create this just absolutely deliciousness. It's so good because all the juices come out and it tastes amazing. Then I'm going to add the other half of the yogurt on top just to balance it all out. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just like having the blueberries in the middle because it looks nice, but even if you didn't want to do this, you can just put the blueberries at the bottom and stir it when you're ready, like those little yogurt cups. So we're going to fill up all of these containers until we have used up all that yogurt. Scrape all that goodness out of the bowl. Yum, these are so good. And then we're going to top them off with 1 cup of our favorite granola. You can use 1 1/4 cup if you want a little bit extra. If you want to see a recipe for my homemade granola, please let me know, and I can definitely film that. It's so tasty. I absolutely love it. Then we're going to add 1 cup or 1 1/4 cup of sliced fresh strawberries or other fresh berries. You can put blueberries, blackberries, any fresh berries that you have. Having a few fresh berries on top and having the frozen berries in the bottom, it really just goes together. And my husband and I were absolutely loving this meal prep. We made it week after week after week, but now it's cold outside and we're not really feeling like such a cold breakfast right now, but I can't wait to start eating this again when it gets a little bit warmer out. And it makes a great snack too. If you want to get in some more protein, say after a workout or something like that, it's really handy to have these in the fridge. So I hope you love this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe.